Okay, I'm going to do the review that I promised on the Energy Storm ESI-7000iER, or they also call it the Lifan. I'm going to tell you first what I don't like about it. Number one, I don't like this handle. It only locks, it only comes to a stopping point coming this direction, and then it just kind of flops here. I really don't like that. It kind of makes this handle not do much of anything unless you're going to pull it or something like that. It makes it difficult to move around with just not being able to lock it into a sturdy position. What else I don't like about it is the wheels are way too small. You can't roll on anything except for pavement. Probably smooth pavement. I don't know, I haven't tried it on this stuff, but it'd probably do on you know, driveway kind of pavement, like roads or something, but still they're kind of not worth anything. The remote system only lasts for 6 hours, so you know, you might be able to use it during the day, but if you're going to sleep longer than 6 hours, your battery dies before you can use it again, and so you're stuck with a dead battery that you can't start your generator then. Then the weight, it's really heavy. We got around this by getting an electric lifter for the shop, and we just raise it up. I can load it by myself with that. You know, I just raise it up in the shop and drive underneath it and then raise it back down, and I'm good. But still, you can't, pretty much have to put it in the back of your pickup and kind of leave it there, or put it on the back of your trailer if you have a good sturdy platform on the back of your trailer. You could do that. Now what I do love about it is it costs way less than the Honda. The dBs were, when I ran the dB test, which is another video that I had done, are in the mid 60s with both air conditioners running, and they're around 60 dBs with one air conditioner running, the bigger air conditioner in the living room. And they're in the mid 50s when you have no air conditioners running. So, you know, that's really nice. I mean, it's pretty quiet. It's actually a lot quieter than some of the generators when I go to dog shows that are running around me. I love the digital display. I don't know if you can see it, very easy, but it tells you exactly what fuel you have. I love that. It tells you how many engine hours you have. And it tells you everything, you know, that you need to know on that. And then I love that it's fuel injected. So if you have to go to the mountains, you've got fuel injection, so you're not having to worry about any loss of power due to the carburetor that some generators have. So I'll get this started and let you hear how it runs inside, what we hear inside when we're cooking and that kind of thing. I park it literally, there's my truck, there's our door, so you can kind of see it's not far from our door at all. Usually I'm actually a little bit closer to the patio. I'm usually closer, more in the parking space there. But you'll be able to tell how loud it is when we're inside when I let you hear it from there. Okay, I'm right in front of it. We don't have a load on it yet, except for TV. So real close. That's where you're at. I mean, we're like maybe a foot away from the front of it. So we'll go inside and see when we get inside, and then we'll put a load on it. Okay, we're indoors. And the dBs are 52, 47. It's our generator. About 45, 40 to 49. With it right outside our glass windows. Okay, this is inside the camper, and here we are actually getting $55 to $60 dBs, and we are running air fryer and the microwave, and then icebox, TV with satellite. I've got the sound muted, but the sound bar is on. And then we also had the converter on and some lights on, like in the bedroom and that kind of thing. So you can see, really, considering how close it is to us, it's really not that loud. And I mean, it's not bad at all, especially by the time we turn the TV on, and like if the air conditioner is running, the air conditioner is louder than our generator is. So just to kind of give you an idea, you can see how close I am. The generator's just a few, maybe 12 feet away from our glass doors that we have a doggy door set up in. So you can see, you know, it's not as thick as like your normal wall would be. This kind of gives you an idea of what kind of sound we're looking at. Not too bad, considering how close it is to us. There you go. Hope that gives you an idea of what you're interested in. Thanks for listening.